The pyramids of Egypt are among the most fascinating and impressive structures in the world. The Great Pyramid of Giza, for example, stands over 450 feet tall and was built over 4,500 years ago. One of the most intriguing aspects of these ancient structures is the mathematical precision with which they were constructed. In this video, we will explore the complex mathematical calculations that were involved in building the pyramids of Egypt. First, let's take a closer look at the pyramids themselves. The pyramids of Egypt were massive structures built by the ancient Egyptians as tombs for their pharaohs and their consorts. They were constructed from large blocks of limestone or granite and were typically oriented to face the four cardinal directions. The interior of the pyramids was often quite complex, with multiple chambers and corridors leading to the burial chamber where the pharaoh's sarcophagus was located. One of the most impressive aspects of the pyramids is their precise shape. The pyramids were designed as four-sided pyramids with triangular faces that met at a single point at the top. The base of each pyramid was a square with sides that were parallel to the cardinal directions. The angles between each of the four sides of the pyramid were carefully calculated to ensure that the pyramid was symmetrical and had a smooth, even slope. The mathematical calculations involved in the construction of the pyramids were complex and required a great deal of skill and knowledge. The ancient Egyptians had a sophisticated understanding of mathematics, including geometry and trigonometry. They used these skills to design and build the pyramids with incredible accuracy. One of the key mathematical principles used in the construction of the pyramids was the concept of pi. Pi is the ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter, and it is a fundamental mathematical constant that is used in a wide range of mathematical and scientific calculations. The ancient Egyptians understood the concept of pi and used it to calculate the circumference and diameter of the circles that were used in the construction of the pyramids. Another important mathematical principle used in the construction of the pyramids was the Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem states that in a right triangle, the square of the length of the hypotenuse, the side opposite the right angle, is equal to the sum of the squares of the lengths of the other two sides. The ancient Egyptians used the Pythagorean theorem to calculate the lengths of the sides of the pyramids and to ensure that the angles between the sides were correct. In addition to pi and the Pythagorean theorem, the ancient Egyptians also used other mathematical principles and techniques in the construction of the pyramids. They used basic arithmetic to calculate the size and number of the blocks that were needed for the construction of the pyramids. They also used surveying techniques to ensure that the pyramids were oriented correctly and that they had the proper dimensions. One of the most impressive examples of the mathematical precision of the pyramids is the Great Pyramid of Giza. This pyramid was built over a period of 20 years and required the labor of thousands of workers. Despite the massive size of the pyramid and the limited technology available to the ancient Egyptians, the pyramid was built with incredible precision. The base of the Great Pyramid is a perfect square with sides that are over 750 feet long. The angles between each of the four sides are very close to 90 degrees, and the sides slope upwards at an angle of approximately 51 degrees. The interior of the pyramid is also very precise, with multiple chambers and corridors that were carefully aligned with the cardinal directions. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Great Pyramid is the precision with which the individual blocks were cut and placed. The blocks used in the construction of the pyramid were often several tons in weight, yet they were cut with such precision that they fit together so tightly that it is impossible to slide a piece of paper between them. This level of precision is truly remarkable, especially given the limited tools and technology available to the ancient Egyptians. So how did the ancient Egyptians achieve this level of mathematical precision in the construction of the pyramids? One theory is that they used simple but effective tools and techniques to measure and cut the blocks of stone. For example, they may have used plumb bobs and string to ensure that the sides of the pyramid were perfectly straight and that the angles were correct. They may have also used copper or bronze tools to carve and shape the blocks of stone. Another theory is that the ancient Egyptians used a system of ramps and pulleys to transport the blocks of stone from the quarries to the construction site. This would have allowed them to move the massive blocks of stone with relative ease and precision, and to position them exactly where they were needed in the pyramid. Regardless of the exact methods used, there is no doubt that the construction of the pyramids was a remarkable achievement of mathematics and engineering. The ancient Egyptians used their knowledge of mathematics to design and build these massive structures with incredible accuracy and precision. The pyramids continue to fascinate and inspire people to this day, and they are a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of the human mind. In conclusion, the pyramids of Egypt are a testament to the incredible skill and knowledge of the ancient Egyptians. The mathematical precision with which they were constructed is a remarkable achievement, and it is a testament to the advanced mathematics and engineering knowledge of the ancient Egyptians. The pyramids continue to fascinate and inspire people to this day, and they serve as a reminder of the incredible things that humans can achieve with the power of knowledge and innovation. The construction of the pyramids of Egypt is one of the most remarkable feats of engineering in human history. These colossal structures were built without the aid of modern machinery, and yet they stand as a testament to the ingenuity and skill of the ancient Egyptians. The construction of a pyramid typically took several decades to complete, and it required the labor of thousands of workers. The workers were often peasants or slaves who were forced to work on the construction of the pyramid for many years. Despite the difficulty and complexity of the construction process, the ancient Egyptians were able to build some of the most impressive structures in human history. The pyramids of Egypt continue to inspire and fascinate people to this day, and they serve as a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of the human mind. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this content. We truly appreciate your interest and support. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting content in the future. Your support means the world to us and motivates us to keep creating and sharing our knowledge and experiences. So, once again, thank you for watching and subscribing. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.